Florence, Azria. So today I have a very special guest, my friend and the love of my life, Vanessa. Actually, Vanessa and I, we have something in common.
Oh yeah, what is it?
We're born in the same town,
Yeah.
in the same clinic, and we're making the same pissaladiere. What is pissaladiere? Pissaladiere, it's a typical Nice.
Yeah, absolutely, Denise.
A tart, you know. And
Like a pizza.
kind of with onion and anchovy and olive. So, qu'est-ce que t'en penses?
Je pense que c'est une bonne chose.
Let's make it.
Let's go. So, darling, we will start with what?
So we're gonna start to chop the onions.
Okay.
We wanna slice them.
How many onions do we need?
6 to 8 if they're big.
Okay.
9,
Okay.
10 works.
Okay, so let's cut the onions.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, I think I will start to cry now.
Vas-y, ramène les oignons là.
Okay. Attends, I'm coming. Voilà. Let's go.
T'as de laver les plaques de citron, je te le dis. Et sinon ce soir, là, ça... We are going to sauté the onions with olive oil, of course.
In a pan.
And fresh thyme. Then we will
Don't forget the French thyme. It's really, really important.
Then we will incorporate gently the anchovies.
Okay, let's do it.
Allez.
So you remember when we first met?
Yeah, we did we to Pissaladiere. Remember it was on the boat?
Yeah.
Look how beautiful the onions are. So they're not caramelized. They're like slightly golden, but not fully gold. So they're just like yellow. So now I'm gonna add some thyme. So fresh thyme, you know. You know, don't use the, just use the tip, don't use the stem. The reason why I add the thyme when it's almost cooked is because I don't want the thyme to turn bitter. So if it's overcooked, any herb can turn bitter. So now we have onions. I'm gonna smash some anchovies.
So we keep the oil with the
Ouais.
anchovy. It's
Ouais.
very important to keep the oil. Okay.
I mean, if it's a good quality one, because it fits, you know. But it's better if they are with olive oil. And if it's a little dry, sometimes it happens.
You have to cut them.
I don't know why those don't want to smash, so I have to. Mais,
Yeah, but it's okay.
oh,
You smell good right now.
ta gueule amoureuse. You know how you remove that smell?
No.
How?
Oh, let me. I
But
want
I'm
to
not
know.
gonna tell you, so you're gonna stay with it forever. Allez, now we're gonna add the anchovies to
With
the onion.
onions and the fresh thyme.
Thyme.
Thyme. Oh la la, yeah, fine.
So now that the onions are ready, I'm gonna make the dough. So
You need
we're gonna
like,
do,
yeah. So
500 grams of flour. This is for a large pissaladiere. Et voilà.
good.
Now we're gonna add eggs. Okay. So 2 eggs.
Here. Ha! Oula.
So the olive oil.
Okay.
So we're gonna mix it gently. As it goes, I will add even water for sure.
1 glass of water. It's almost.
You know what? You have to like. I mean, I don't know. Let's try
Okay.
because you have to feel it. You know, you feel it.
Okay, you feel
Yeah,
it.
you
Okay,
feel
yeah.
it. So now we're doing the basic of the dough. So it's not like the core thing. You know. Now I'm gonna work it with my hand.
Okay, baby. Good like this?
Très bien.
Okay.
See, my dough is still crumbly. So now I want to bring it together by hand. Because all good
That's
jobs
very important,
are-
Florence. Huh?
So I'm going to incorporate
The water.
slowly the water. So I put a little bit. Can you bring me some olive oil, please?
Sure.
Vanessa, il est derrière toi là-bas. And can you put a bit of flour on top of my dough?
Oui, bien sûr, madame.
Okay. And olive oil, s'il te plaît.
Okay.
Un tout petit peu, a little bit.
Okay. Like this.
Oui.
Okay.
And then I'm filling it, tu vois? Yeah. Slowly by slowly, we're gonna incorporate the ingredients.
The water is very important, huh?
Ah, putain, on n'a pas de... I mean, you know, Pissaladiere is basically your tin tam, okay?
It's
So,
like in every boulangerie,
yeah,
you know.
it's like the bread
This-
of the south of France.
It's very, very popular in Nice.
And, you know, we don't use butter at all in the south.
Just olive oil.
Yeah, just olive oil. So the dough is olive oil.
Oh,
based.
now it's good.
It's starting.
That's my girl.
Not yet, we're getting there. So you see the consistency of my dough is starting to get a little rubbery, and that's what we want, you know, because we want it to be very, you know, long when we extend it, when we're gonna roll it out. So,
Do you want a little bit more water or are you okay?
oh, wait.
Okay.
Ici. Un petit peu plus, hein, Aline. Grosse barre de fer, vas-y.
Okay.
Là, c'est bon.
Okay.
But see, the whole thing is about feeling the consistency of the dough in between your hand and like making sure that, you know, it's a bit rubbery, but not too rubbery either. So there is no way that any machine can do that. You have to feel it by hand. And now I can roll it out.
Okay.
So my roller is over there. Thank you.
Here it is.
Merci. Voila. So we extend it a bit more, but just, you know, don't work it too much. You just do one pinch.
And it's enough.
It's enough because you don't want to release all that oil.
Okay.
We're gonna actually take a fork.
Sure.
And we're gonna prick the bottom. This is in order for the air and the heat to come together, and so the tart is not like puffy in one side and flat in the other. You know.
That's very important, huh?
Oui. Voila.
Okay.
So
So,
the pissaladiere, it's kind of like the French pigeon. You know, each region in France had its own kind of language. You know, so Provençal is, you know, what this comes from, and Pissala actually it's the name of the paste with the anchovies and I forgot what, but anyway, it's something like that, and it's called Pissala. So Pissaladiere. Saladiere means salad in French, so it's a salad of anchovies, onions and anchovies, and yeah.
on a pizza.
It's well, Nice.
Nice was Italian before, yeah.
Yeah. So you know it was called actually Nisa. So now I'm gonna start putting a couple of rows of olives. So yeah, you know. So some people I've seen some places where they do pissaladiere, and instead of smashing the anchovies in the onion, they have the olives and then anchovies like that. But I kind of prefer this way, so it's more melted, and it's not as strong as you know. If you're not a big anchovy fan, with mine you won't know. With theirs you will.
Yeah.
So we're using olive niçoise. They are actually from Nice, you know. Voilà. So it's perfect. You know what? We should put a bit more
What?
thyme. So it will give a very pretty color to it. So now it's gonna go into the oven until it's golden. So depend on your oven, it's difficult to say, but I will say 30 some
35.
minutes, yeah, at 350 convection. Okay, so look at this.
Wow, that's my girl.
Golden, pretty,
Let's eat.
yummy.
Allez.
Allez. Alors, we're gonna cut.
Can't wait. Wow.
Elle n'est pas cuite. She tried to escape. Seriously? To go where? Allez. Tomatoes.
Perfect.
And we're all good to go. Cheers to la Provence.
Cheers to la Provence.
To
Bon
Nice.
appétit.
Bon appétit. Thank you so much for watching us today. I want to thank my guest, Vanessa.
Thank you, Florence.
That bring us back home.
Oh, that's for sure.
I mean, in the sauce of France, right?
Yeah.
And I hope you're gonna enjoy
As we did.
eating it as we do, and you had as much fun as we did making it. I would like to see a lot of comments. So don't forget to tune in every Thursday, YouTube, Delightful Mrs. Azria. Au revoir.
Bye bye. Thank you.